everyone, welcome to my channel JP Crochet. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple beanie for newborn baby. This is so simple and easy. It's called beanie, cap, whatever you want you can call. For this I am using branded yarn and 4.5 mm hook. So let's start with slip knot. Five chain. Join with slip knot. Slip stitch. In this circle we are going to make first 3 chain, then 11 half double crochet. Half double crochet. So 11 half double crochet will join here. Second round 3 chain, 1 double crochet in same stitch. Same stitch. In next stitch 2 half double crochet. Now in this round we are making 2 half double crochet in each stitch. In total we have 22 half double crochet. In this round we have total 22 double crochet. Round 3, chain 3, 1 double crochet in the same chain stitch. In next one we'll make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet. And next we'll make 2 double crochet. And like this we'll make at that end 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. In this round we have total round 3 we have total 33 double crochet. Round 4, chain 3, 1 double crochet. In next chain 1 double crochet. In next chain 1 more double crochet, and then we'll make 2 double crochet. In this round we'll make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet 2 times and 2 double crochet. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet. We'll make this round with this pattern: 2 double crochet, 2 times 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet. Like this we'll make here. In this round 1, 2, 3, 4th round we have 44 double crochet. Round 4 is completed. We have 44 joining. In the fifth round, chain 3, one double crochet in same stitch. Then in next 3, 1 2 3, in this we'll make one double crochet, one double crochet in each, 3 times, 1 2 and 3. After 3 stitch, we'll make 2 double crochet in one space, double, 2 double. Then again we'll make 3, 1 2 and 3 times, 3 times one double crochet, then 2 double crochet 2 in same. This is our last increasing round. We are making for 0 to 6 months baby. This is fifth round. Fifth round we have 55 double crochet. This is enough for 13 to 16-inch head. Crown is done. Now we'll make round 6. In round 6 we are not going to increase, so in each stitch we'll make only one half double crochet in each stitch. So 55 double crochet. This is the end of 6th round, and we have 55 double crochet. This is for 0 to 6 months baby, so I am going to make 4 round more. This is about 5 to 6 inch according to your baby size. So I will show you after 4 round. I am going to make altogether 10 rounds. Here I made all rounds. This is the 10 round. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 5 round we increase, and 5 round I just make one double crochet in each. This is you can see here this side. I hope you can see. This is 5.5 inches. And this looks like very cute. If you like, you can put flower or your simple beanie, simple hat, whatever you want you can make. It looks like good with flower also. If you're making for boy, then this is the simple beanie, and it's super easy and super